Exercise 6.5, question number 7. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. What do you mean by perimeter of rectangle? Sum of all sides, or you can say sum of boundaries. Means you have to find the length of all the four sides, and in total that will be called the perimeter of the rectangle. Name this rectangle as A, B, C and D. Now whose length is 40? आप बोलो रिव्या, इसमें से लेंथ कौन सी है? वो नहीं, नेम बोलो। हैं? वो नहीं, ठीक है। लेंथ क्या है फिर बोलो, बोलो। और ए बी, बी सी एंड ए बी आर द लेंथ। ये ब्रेड्थ है, ये क्या है? आप ब्रेड्थ बोल रहे हो। आई एम आस्किंग लेंथ। लेंथ इज ए बी एंड सी डी। सिट डाउन। दिस इज गिवन एज 40. Length of the rectangle is given as 40. Sit straight. Stop writing. Leave the pen. Cross your arms. Whose diagonal is 41? Diagonal क्या होता है हार्दिक? Diagonal, हार्दिक will tell. Diagonal क्या होता है? ये बोला था ना? डायगोनल मैंने बताया था उस दिन। क्या होता है सर्वव्यापक डायगोनल? ये मास्क क्या हैंड क्लीन करने के लिए रखा हुआ है? बोलो, डायगोनल क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डायगोनल? मितुल, we have discussed one formula also in the algebraic expression, that the number of diagonals from the one vertex of a polygon is n minus 3. Diagonal क्या होता है? When you join the vertex with the non-adjacent vertex is called diagonal. ये और ये adjacent vertex है, इसका adjacent ये और ये है, इनको ज्वाइन करते हो तो साइड बनती है। लेकिन जब नॉन एडजेसेंट को, ऑपोजिट को ज्वाइन करते हो, then what will be formed? Diagonal. And this diagonal is given as 41. Actually, two diagonals are given. Two diagonals are there for the rectangle, but only one of them is given. That is 41. So length of the one of the diagonal is 41. Side is 40. हाथ हटाओ, क्रॉस पीछे होकर बैठो। Side is 41. Diagonal is 41 and one side of the rectangle is 40. You have to find the perimeter. What is the formula for perimeter? Last one. Hardik है ना name? Stand up. Perimeter of rectangle. 2 multiply by length is given but breadth is not given. तो आपको ये find करना है। फॉर्मूला क्या होता है perimeter का? Twice length plus length is given but you need to find breadth. How you will find this breadth? Actually, sit down. Each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. So this angle will be 90 because each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. ये 90 degree means ये right angle triangle हो गया. Right angle, ये triangle की बात कर रहे हैं हम. इस right angle triangle में the side which is opposite to 90 degree is your ये hypotenuse, ये base, ये that you have to find. So all these things that I have just spoken, you have to write it. If I am writing, then you will get enough time to note down the things. Listen to me. ABCD is a rectangle. Angle A is 90. Each angle of rectangle is 90. Each angle of rectangle is 90. So this angle is 90 degree. सो दिस ट्रायंगल हैज बिकम अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तो ट्रायंगल का नेम क्या बन गया? DAB, ADB, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. ADB ऐसा नहीं होता, ऐसा नहीं होता कुछ भी. ट्रायंगल का नेम जैसे मर्जी दे सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ADB इज अ राइट एंगल्ड triangle. So if it is a right angle triangle, can we apply Pythagoras theorem in this particular triangle? In triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. What is the name of perpendicular? Perpendicular, hypotenuse, base. हाइपोटेन्यूज कौन सा इनमें से है? कितनी साइड कितनी है उसकी, लेंथ कितनी है? 40. क्या बोल रहे हो? 40 क्या बोल रहे हो? लाउड बोलो. 41. परपेंडिकुलर AB नहीं है, परपेंडिकुलर कौन सा है? परपेंडिकुलर DA, AD. ठीक है. और बेस कितना है? बेस कितना है? ये परपेंडिकुलर, ये बेस 40. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय 41 स्क्वायर आशिमा? 41 स्क्वायर मींस 41 into 41, 1681. What is 40 square? 4 4s are 16 with 2 zeros. Now it is adding there. If you shift it on the next side, it will be क्या आ जाएगा? 81 only, not 8 square. Is it okay? After subtraction, you will get 81. How you will write this in the form of square? Now square will AD is equal to, so this is perpendicular, this is your, ठीक है. या you ऐसे भी सोच. Now you need to find perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? नींद आ रही है? नींद आ रही है? मैं क्या कर, लोरी गा रही हूँ? आप नहीं पीछे. Twice length plus breadth. Length is, breadth is 40 plus 9 is, bracket means you will get. Any doubt? You can note it down. Handwriting should be very good. बिल्कुल बनानी है. Done. Those who have done this, they can read out the next question. Read it at least 2-3 times. Read it out. ऐसे नहीं बोलना. Read it silently. Attendance 31, roll number 2, 27, 48, 51. Next question is, the diagonals of the rhombus are 16 and 30. Find its perimeter. The diagonals of the rhombus are what are diagonals? The line joining the opposite vertices of the polygon are called diagonals. The line segment joining the opposite vertices of the polygon are called diagonals. So here ABCD is a rhombus, AC and BD are its diagonals. The length of the one diagonal is 16 and the length of the another diagonal is 30. Diagonals of rhombus are always unequal. So one is 16 and another one is 30, that is given. You need to find the perimeter. For the perimeter, you need the sum of all the sides and sides are missing. सर्वव्यापक बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं है आपका. ये हैंड्स को छोड़ दो, क्या करके आ रहे हो ये क्या था फिर? ये क्या हो रहा था? यही तो कर रहे थे और क्या कर रहे थे? मैंने आपको एक बार बोला ना कि जब मैं बोल रही हूँ सिर्फ अटेंटिव होके सुनना है. ये स्टैंड हटाओ अपने. क्या बोला था? क्रॉस आर्म्स करके सीधे बैठो, सारे पीछे होके बैठो. In case of rhombus, all sides are equal. All sides of rhombus are always equal. If you find one side, then all the remaining side will be of the same length. Now, one more thing I want to tell you here is one important property we are using here. Diagonals are unequal, as one is 16 and another one is 30, that is given. Diagonals always bisect each other. This you have to learn. Diagonals always bisect each other, means this half portion is equal to this. Suppose the length of this complete line is 16. What is the length of this half line? If this line is 30, then what is the length? And diagonals are meeting each other at right angle. So this small triangle is your right angle triangle. So can we apply Pythagoras theorem in this small triangle to get the missing side? What is this missing side called? Hypotenuse. The side opposite to right angle is? The side opposite to right angle is? The side opposite to right angle is? So here AB is the hypotenuse. वो है अनु शर्मा. Got it? Last. मैंने जो जो बताया ना सारा रिपीट करो. कम हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ कैमरा. कम. I said come here. You are sitting on the last bench. Come. आ जाओ. जो जो मैंने बोला आप रिपीट करो सारा कुछ. मैंने क्या कहा है मुझे तो आता है. इधर आओ. इनको बताओ. बोलो. इधर आओ. चलो बोलो. इनको भी सुनना है बच्चे. Why you are giving me suggestions? I don't need it.
आपने ये कहा कि रोम्बस के ऑल साइड्स इक्वल हैं और उसका
आवाज नहीं आ रही. मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको लास्ट टाइम. आपकी भी जानी चाहिए आवाज.
मैम कि रोम्बस के ऑल साइड्स इक्वल हैं. मैम उसका जब पैरामीटर इक्वल
क्या इक्वल होता है? पेरीमीटर इक्वल नहीं होता. पेरीमीटर इज सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. और क्या बताया? डायगोनल्स क्या होते हैं?
मैम दैट ज्वाइन वर्टेक्स. मैम आपने रोम्बस का कहा था कि मतलब रोम्बस का अलग अलग रोम्बस का अलग अलग ट्रायंगल्स बना के मतलब करना है. जैसे मतलब ये ट्रायंगल और राइट एंगल.
जो मैंने बोला ना वो बोल.
मतलब उसकी वो हाफ साइड मतलब 8 होती है. मतलब अगर मान लो उसकी डायगोनल अगर वो 16 सेंटीमीटर फिर उसका आ रहा है 8 होगा.
Diagonals of the rhombus
is always opposite to
आवाज कहाँ की टूटी हो गया.
अगर वो 30
Diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angle. That's why we had made the half of each diagonal, that is 8 and 15. Then
अगर मान लो ये वाला डायगोनल 30 है तो फिर उसका हाफ 15 होएगा. और
yes, what else if we have made the half of each diagonal, we have got the two sides. Then what about the side of the rhombus? How you will get the side of the rhombus? Aryan, can you explain? Can you come?
these are the these are the sides of the rhombus. The line that is the line that is vertical to each other. This is called
Diagonals of the rhombus.
Diagonals of the rhombus that are vertical to each other.
Bisect each other at right angle. Diagonals of the rhombus
Bisect each other.
Then how you will get this side?
By Pythagoras theorem. First of all, we have to find the hypotenuse, that is the longest side of the right angle, by the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can find the side of this right angle.
Which of these is perpendicular and base?
Ma'am, this is perpendicular and this is a base.
No, it's not particular. You can take vice versa. You can take either of them as perpendicular or base, but hypotenuse, that is the fixed side, that is the longest side opposite to right angle, is fixed. That you have to do. Yes, who will tell me the perimeter of rhombus? Jalash, perimeter of rhombus. In the beginning also I have spoken, the sides of rhombus are equal. All sides of rhombus are equal. All sides of square are equal. All sides of square and rhombus are equal. Do you know the formula for perimeter of square? आपको किसने कहा? Yes, exactly. Actually, the perimeter of rhombus and square are both same. So you can get the perimeter of rhombus by using the same formula that you are using in case of the square, that is 4 into side. So if you will get the side of this as hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem, then you will make 4 times of that. You get the perimeter of rhombus. Now I am explaining once again. आपने देख ही लिया, जो जितना सुन रहा है उसको उतना ही पता है क्या बोलना है. आप बोल तो रहे हो लेकिन आपको मीनिंग तो वर्ड्स नहीं पता आप क्या बोल रहे हो. मैं पेरीमीटर की, मैंने यहाँ वर्ड पेरीमीटर यूज किया, यहाँ डायगोनल्स यूज किया, बाइसेक्ट यूज किया. So these are mathematical terms. You have to be very particular while using them. Close the door. Have you drawn the figure? Now, whosoever will speak any other word, they will come here to explain the things. They will explain at least 2-3 questions by coming here in front of camera. Is it visible from the last? ये कौन है जो बोल रहा है? हैं? Eight square means 8 eights are 15 square is 15 into 15. कल बताया था 15 into 15. 5 5s are 25. 1 में 1 प्लस किया क्या बन गया? 2 1s are 2. तो आ गया 225. This 289 is a square of 17. So we have got the side of the rhombus as 17. Then what will be the perimeter? बोलो आप. Perimeter of rhombus. 4 into, किसने बोला? आपने बोला? साइड क्या है? साइड कितनी है? साइड ऑफ द रोम्बस कितनी आई है? 17. 4 into 17. 17 fours are. The perimeter of the rhombus we have got as 68 centimeters. Sit down. Note it down. Draw it again. Right here, question again. Start again. That is new one.